In this video, we'll look at how to add fractions. Let's start with when the denominators are the same. Let's take 5 by 8 and 1 by 8. In this case, the denominators match. When that happens, we keep it the same and add the numerators. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so we get 6 by 8. And if it's possible to simplify, we should simplify it. 6 by 8 can be written as 3 by 4. Now what happens if the denominators are different? Look at this. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. The denominators don't match, so we can't add them directly. First, we need to find the LCM of the denominator. In this case, it's 4 and 6. If you're not comfortable with finding LCM, I've made a separate video explaining it step by step. You can watch that after this. It'll make this part much easier. For this example, the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now here's the important part. We don't randomly change the fraction. We multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Why? Because multiplying top and bottom by the same number does not change the value of the fraction. Now watch carefully. Here we have 1 by 4. And to turn 4 into 12, we can multiply by 3. And whatever we multiply with the denominator, we should do the same with the numerator. So here we get 3 by 12. On the other hand, with 1 by 6, to make 6 into 12, we should multiply it by 2. So we multiply the numerator by 2. This gives us 2 by 12. Now we have rewritten our fractions. 3 by 12 plus 2 by 12. Here the denominators match, so we can add them directly. We get 5 by 12. Now let's change it slightly. We'll use 2 by 5 and 1 by 10. So we'll find the LCM of the denominators, which is 5 and 10. Then we'll rewrite the fractions. 2 by 5 will become 4 by 10 and 1 by 10 will remain the same. Now we have rewritten our fractions. 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Now since the denominators are the same, we can add them directly. We'll get 5 by 10. Here we can simplify it. So our final answer will be 1 by 2. So always remember, if the denominators are the same, add the numerators. If they're different, make them same by first using LCM. That's the whole idea behind adding fractions. This was Insight Art, and I hope this video was helpful.